My name's Ben Pullen and I'm the co-founder and CEO at Generation.e. Generation.e has the mission to inspire transformation to smarter mobility, and we've been achieving that mission through two main events that we run in Europe, Middle East and Africa. That's the Electric Vehicle Road Trip and the Smarter Mobility Summits. I was amazed by Tesla back in 2013, and I thought more people need to know about these amazing early electric vehicles. So I took it upon myself to set up the Electric Vehicle Road Trip, which we launched in Europe in 2016. And since then I've scaled that event across Europe, Middle East and Africa. But I quickly realized that electric vehicles are not the solution for all of the problems that we have in mobility. And in fact, it's a combination of micro, active, shared and public transport that are really going to serve the mass population and ensure that we can reduce our impact on the environment. I see a huge uptake in cycling. Unfortunately, and for some bizarre reason, an increase in SUV ownership, lower public transport ridership. Electric vehicle adoption will increase, especially in Europe. And I see overall demand for medium and long distance trips dropping, mainly because an increase in staycations, home working, and the use of virtual conferencing tools. Public perceptions have shifted. We focus a lot on the visual experience for the audience, to resemble something like live TV. At the end of the day, you can have the best content, but if the audience is not engaged, the message will just get lost. I hope so, however we're still in a state of adjustment. The audience and key stakeholders are still getting familiar with the tools and the methods of delivery. However, we will always include a virtual element into our physical events going forward to ensure that we can keep event emissions down and expand the audience that can benefit from the event. Obviously, one of the main benefits of physical events is the networking element. So we've worked really hard to ensure that networking plays a key role in our digital events with speed networking, which is face-to-face networking with the speakers and the delegates. One thing that's come from this crisis is an increased public acceptance for a range of different mobility solutions. So let's use this as an opportunity to create a smarter mobility world.